I really thought you'd be interested in this. Obviously, the owner of this motor would be interested. This is a shift shaft. This goes up and down to shift the motor from forward to neutral to reverse. It's supposed to be straight. I said, well, that's bent. And of course, we ripped the whole motor apart to rebuild it. And then I remembered that this particular block that went with that particular lower unit has motor mounts that are blown completely out. There's supposed to be motor mounts right here that hold the top of the motor from pulling off the back of the boat. And this is what they're supposed to look like. These are a little rusted, but they're still there. So what was happening is, this is a Mercury, but the same theory. The motor has motor mounts here and here. These ones were gone. The shift shaft was the only thing holding this motor, 175 horsepower. This is not the same motor, obviously, from ripping its way off the back of the boat. How he ran it, I don't know. He must have shifted really hard. Of course, we've got to send this video to Mr. Green and ask him how he ran this boat. So, that's it.